In order to improve fertility, you want to do all the things that doctors always tell you to do. Eat right, exercise, and get enough sleep. Additionally, being a healthy weight can help you to ovulate normally, and normal ovulation is key in order to be fertile.
So the best opportunity to maximize your chance of fertility is to know your menstrual cycle.
Because I've had some medical issues, I'm working with my doctor to standardize my cycle so we can figure out when the best time to get pregnant is.
Most women have a cycle that's approximately 26 to 35 days long, and you ovulate, which is when the egg is released, about 14 days before your next period.
There are lots of different apps that are available and screening tests that are available over the counter that will help kind of narrow that time frame down for a woman.
I met with my doctor before I got pregnant, and I was advised perhaps to see an infertility specialist, and I had set the first appointment to do that, and then I got the surprise that that wasn't going to be necessary, so here I am.
So infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant after 1 full year. So I wouldn't worry until you've been trying for a full year before asking your physician for help. If you're over the age of 35, then we ask you to come in at 6 months because we don't want you to be trying for too long at home. If you have any medical issues or you're not having regular cycles, you can of course see your physician earlier if you suspect that there's a problem.
The physician will have a conversation that determines what are the 3 likely causes of infertility.
Sometimes it's a problem with ovulation, so whether an egg is released or not. So we talk about your cycles, how long your cycles are, how frequent they are.
The father would have an assessment as well too, looking at the sperm count to make sure that there are sperm available for normal fertility. And then the third factor that we want to look at is the fallopian tube. That's where all the magic happens. So you want to make sure that that sperm and the egg are able to get together.